Here we come to the Elevator and Restoration Hardware International Plaza in Tampa, Florida. And I'm not sure what kind of elevator this is.
Going up.
Oh, I think this one's a Kone and it talks. Let's go up to 4. Yep, this one is a Kone. And Hyrule Escalators and Elevators, this video is for you.
Fourth floor. Going down.
Let's go to 3. Here's a cab view. This is a really nice elevator.
Third floor.
Hello. Let's go to 2. Fixture cam.
Second floor.
Extended arm 1. These are the fixtures. Not sure the name of them. Firefighter's operation cabinet. Firefighter's operation. Here's your certificate and your help button.
Going up.
That's it.